we learn how to let the CNC for exercise and the position of the U or five exercise connect the action set as a TCP. First we can see the here. We close this in the program, right? Then we choose this, collect it, and use the rotate connected set as a TCP. Let us touch. Let us touch. Working, moving together. First, in the rotated, we let the 5 exercise moving 13 degrees from this direction. Here is 0. You can see the here. Use the direction. Use the position. The now is degree. Is 0 degree. First, we let the robot the Y, the red and Y contact is this fraction this point can find you can set the here anywhere, no problem. First, let the robot here is 0, right? Let the robot move here, contact this, and then get the P0, and then let the track turn 13 degrees. Then moving the weight and robot contact again. Then get the P1, and then let the track go to this direction, the 13 degrees. Let the weight and Y contact. Okay, we now set the P0 first. We move in the robot contact here. Okay,世界吧。上面一个点吧，没问题。那你下面一个点吧，没问题。The point can set here. If you set here, must check the limit, the ZX limit. We set here, okay? 好叫我。The first point, we now contact here. Here is 0. You can see the 0. 0 degree. We now in this page we only choose the get P0. Here the position change it. We now next turn U to 13 degree. OK， 先把枪移过来，往这边来一点。OK， move it a little, then turn. You can see. 看了吗 ？OK， let me check it. Here is about 13 degree. About. Okay, moving. Test again. Test again. Okay, we know 2 point is already set it. Already fixed it. Now only choose the get it P1. Get it. Can see it. Danger. Okay. The position have changed it. We now let the track turn here. 30 degree about. Okay. 先移出来。Okay. Then turn 13. Okay, about enough. Is it 13? Okay. Then okay. After move it, we back. Okay, we 3 point have checked it in the head. Already finished. Then we choose the get P2. Yes. Then we choose the G55 rotate. Then set okay. Okay, change it, right? Record. Now the thing. Okay. Okay, is finished. Then how to change it? We know this must change it. Must change it to 1, 2, 3. This one is work. Here is word. Here is joint. Here is 12. We must change the work. Then return U exercise. Then check the touch. Waiting for 5 exercise working together. Okay. 速度调快一点。You can see it. Okay. Moving. Okay. Moving.再移动。Okay. Now we check the TCP, the U driver, U exercise together 4 exercise.速度快一点，这可能累吧。好，反转。好，正转。好，对。好，再转。